am here. Miss you guys. How you guys doing? How's the quarantine treating everybody? I don't ever do my makeup on camera, and I just don't, so just gonna try it today. Why not? I'm not gonna do all of it. I'm just gonna literally just put myself together a little. So I have like those spider bites on my eyes. Do you see this? I don't know if it is a spider bite now. Like, I don't know what else it could be, but there's another one right there that showed up like a day after, and it's not a sty. We're covering it up today. About that. See? Covering it up. I put some lotion on it already, but this is out of my ordinary. I don't ever show people how I do my makeup, but guess what? You're here. So, hi. Hi, everybody. Hi, Becca. Hi, Crystal. And then after I put my foundation on, we'll do the Pledge of Allegiance, but I am just interested to see how you guys are doing, how you're feeling, and I don't know, comment down below. Let me know. Is today your last day of school instruction? It's our last day in Thermopolis of instruction. Well, technically yesterday was our last day of instruction because we turned in our Chromebooks and stuff yesterday. So, I have been putting a, hi Crystal, thank you. I've been putting a like little quiz thingy that's a poll that says like, when is your last day of instruction? And I used 2 things of concealer because I got bags, okay? I got bags. Anyways, I've got some people that have said it's going until May 22nd was the last. Oh, June 3rd was the other one that I got. June 3rd. So is anybody later than that? Let me know if you want me to keep posting if you're watching this with your kids, because I definitely will want to make sure I provide them with the pledge. Unless I got you guys on a little routine, that would be good. So yeah, I've got some serious bites going on my eye. Like, it's a bug bite for sure. It was super itchy, and now it's kind of flaking around the outside of it. So I put some lotion on, but you can see how it's kind of flaking. Weird. No one will notice. I don't ever wear makeup lately. All right. I am going to pop on the Pledge of Allegiance and leave you guys, let you guys go on about your day. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup on my own. So unless you really want to watch, then let me know. But I'm just gonna, June 7th, thank you. I will keep going until at least June 7th, Crystal. All right. If anybody has any later dates, let me know. Because I need my hair done. Or maybe I should get one of them balayage things where it's a little darker on top and then it's still, but it fades really well. Here's a little blonde. Maybe I should do that. I don't know. We'll see. All right, right hand over your heart, stand up, and let's say the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Excuse me. So, consistency is something we need to teach our kids, right? So saying the Pledge of Allegiance is something that's very consistent. School is very consistent. In these times, clearly it's not. I mean, our teachers are doing the best that we can to keep things going for the kids and stay as consistent as we can in our regular schedules and try to make things familiar for them. Like, I've always used Google Classroom for my kids, so I feel like that's just something they've always known how to do. They're high school kids, so of course. So that I didn't change, which is a pro, I think. But the con is definitely just not being in the classroom to be able to sit and, you know, differentiate the instruction for them to be able to meet their needs. So that's what's going to be so hard. I see all these CDC guidelines out there for school next fall, but I don't know how it's going to be. I don't know. We don't know, and we can't make assumptions. I know it is from the CDC, so they've got some serious guidelines going on. I just don't know. I don't know what it's hard to believe every single thing you see in here because in reality, people are just, they're liars. Let's just be real. But not the whole world is. Not the whole world. How's everybody doing? Cassie, hi. Hi, Brett. Hi, Kelly. I'm doing my makeup today. I don't ever do this, ever. I mean, I do my makeup sometimes, but I don't ever do it on live camera. But no big deal. I'm just doing it the way I always do it. Blush, little blush, concealer, mineral foundation, and blush so far. And then I do a little bit of, oh, I have this little palette. That's all I use ever. I don't have any other colors. I'm so boring, but it's fine. No big deal. I'm not gonna put a whole lot on, but there's a little bit. But that bug bite looks super bad in this lighting. Hopefully the other, I don't know. It is what it is, right? Some of you hate that saying. Some of you use it daily. It is what it is, right? Just like the circumstances right now. So for our graduation for our high school, it was a parade, which was super cool. Oh, that's wet. I dropped it in the sink. I'm gonna change this over. We had a parade and it was really cool. And our school is thinking about possibly doing it every year. We'll see. I don't know. That's what I've heard anyways. It's rumors. Just rumors. So, we will see. So all I do is put a little bit of this middle color here in my creases to blend it all together. So it's lighter on the inside, darker on the outside. And then I literally just, this is how I darken my eyebrows. I've never showed anybody this, so you guys are very lucky right now to be able to see what's going on. And then I just rub it all so it's blended a little good. So I don't do a whole lot with my eyes. I like the natural look. So I don't even know if I want to put on this stuff today. I'll put on a tiny thin layer. I know I totally shouldn't be stretching my eyelids, but oh, stay. Oh. Just listen to music. My dogs. Hey, quit that. Come here. Stop barking. I love my dogs. Don't you? This is super boring. Super boring. And I'm sorry that you're super bored. But this is how I do my eyes, you guys. You don't care. And I know. I don't care when people do makeup tutorials at all. Unless my friend Crystal, she's really good at doing makeup tutorials. She always shows me exactly how to like do the eyebrows and then do my eyelashes. Of course, I haven't taken her advice on the eyebrows yet because I don't have anything. I only have eyeshadow, so I just use eyeshadow. Use what I got. This is a lash primer that I use from Younique. It's so good. So, just saying, I don't sell it or anything. But if you want if you want to try it, you're welcome to. So these are my real eyelashes when I'm putting them on. Do you see how much eyelash I really do have? I'm not a boy, I swear. I have some real eyelashes. Like, they're pretty long. So I always do the bottom first. Gosh, that bite is so ugly. I always do the bottom first because then I never get it on the top. Does that make sense? Like, when I used to sell Mary Kay, that is one thing that I learned from, like, the veterans of makeup. They're like, you know, you need to do the bottom first. That way it doesn't get on the top. Interesting, huh? Look at my eyelashes. See? They're white. One day I went to Billy and I was like, hey, what do you think of my eyelashes like this? Do they look good? And he's like, yeah, why not? I was like, you're gonna let me go out in public like this? He's like, well, whatever you want. I was like, no, not happening. Pledge of Allegiance video. And now we're on to the bottoms again. And then I'm almost done. This is it. It's not very long. Doesn't take me very long. So this one is the 3D Unique mascara as well. So, see? That's all I use. I use a variety of different kinds of makeup. Mary Kay, CoverGirl, mostly Mary Kay, and then Unique for my eyelashes. Oh, I got a little on the bottom. Usually Q-tip always works. And then we do the top. I always do a little on the top right there. Sorry ladies, this is super boring. This is Unique mascara I'm using, and it makes my eyelashes like super long. So if you don't have a consultant, let me know, I can hook you up. So do you remember what what I looked like before? That's what I want to know. I should have just did one eye. And that's my eyelashes. That one stuck a little on the side. I'm fixing it. I always put like 2 layers on. But I'm gonna let you guys go so I can go eat some breakfast after this, but check it out. I'm gonna put one more layer on this eye. Underneath your breath. There we go. It's sticking. Sometimes I get some tweezers out to pry the, just to like stick right in the middle. Kayla, hi. So, there we go. Those two are stuck together still. I get super weird about my eyelashes sticking there. That's better. Okay. I'm gonna finish this one and I'll see you guys later. Have a good, what day is it? Friday. Oh, it's Friday. It's the weekend. I don't have to wake up to teach tomorrow. I wake up at 4 or 5 a.m. Always, every day, except the weekends. I always take the weekends off. So I feel like a normal person, almost. Got one more eye to do. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys next week on Monday for the Pledge of Allegiance. Bye.